And I'm back. It's been a year since my last visit, and this year we stayed at the Palazzo. We had a very spacious room with 2 queen beds and a living room with a sofa bed. It's so cozy in here. You know what I love most about the Palazzo is the fact that all the great shops are just down there, just have to take the elevator, and it's connected to the Grand Canal. Excuse me.
What?
I'm lost. Could you help me, please?
I'm not American, even though I'm wearing this.
You're American, right?
No, I'm not.
I just love Las Vegas. I can go back there in a heartbeat. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, AGS Behind the Cam. See you next time!